Hi there, my name is Darius. I'm from InterioApp. Today I want to show you how to create your first job, how to generate a quote, and prepare a workshop information for your manufacturers. It will take just a couple of minutes to do that. Of course, it depends on the project you're working on, but I will also show you some tips and tricks how to make this, especially workshop information for your manufacturers, even easier to read by uploading images on each of the window or treatment itself, and not only in regards with the images, but also how to make some drawings on top of the image. So let's dive in and see how it all works. Upon logging in, you will land on the jobs page. This page displays all your projects, each job status, associated numbers, total amounts, deposit status, client details, and calendar alerts. A green indicator near the calendar denotes a scheduled event for a job. Each job showcases its progressions through various stages like order, estimation, invoice, etc. Utilize the filter icon to sort jobs based on their status for efficient management. You can duplicate a job, make edits, or delete it using the action buttons. So to start a new job, click New Job. Within the job, you can choose either a B2C or a B2B client, search for an existing client, or just simply add a new one. Once added, the client's name is displayed prominently. Add windows to the job, each represented by a gray box. For each window, you can edit its details, name, type, or simply add notes. Copy and paste window data for efficiency, especially for repetitive designs. Choose a treatment like curtains from your preset library. Once a curtain or treatment is selected, a pop-up appears for further customization. Add name, quantity, price, all the measurements, and of course all the specific configurations. Make use of add-ons, features, and customize as per the project's needs. For fabrics, either enter manually or choose from the database. Select a product type, for instance, blind. Choose from available options like Roman or roller blinds. The process of customization is very similar to that of curtains, with added configurations specific to blinds. You can very easily add extra services, hardware, or other items to the job. This is very handy for additions like installation, hardware, or any bespoke services. Once you are satisfied, proceed to the quote section. And here you will find a detailed breakdown of all job items. You can adjust job statuses, set deposit amounts, and schedule events directly from here. Send the quotation to clients via email with options for attachments and customized messages. And now let's jump into the workshop part, where you can generate detailed workshop guides for your manufacturers. Clarity is the key, especially when communicating with manufacturers. Our annotated image feature ensures everyone's on the same page. And by the way, you can try our application out by visiting our website InterioApp.co.uk or curtainscalculator.com and try a 7-day trial for free. Get in touch with us and we will help you in setting up the app and onboarding your whole team on it. I hope to speak with you soon, and either way, we'll see you in the next videos.